Hi y'all, Native Tearz here, and I have my very first ever silver unboxing. It's a giveaway from DOC Silver Stacker. I'm so excited. So, yeah, my very first silver win. So, awesome. So, let's bust into it. I use my gonzo. Congrats on second place. I hope you enjoy your prize. DOC Silver Stacker. Yeah, I will, definitely. You guys gotta see this. The Barracuda. How awesome is that? Very awesome. If y'all don't know who DOC Silver Stacker is, I'll have a link down below. You guys can go check him out, check out his videos, give him a like, give him a sub. Hey, tell him I sent you over. It's going to be more giveaways in the future, and what an awesome guy. Awesome giveaway. I can't believe I won second place. I'm going to show you some of my relics that I have. This is not my oldest. This one is my oldest. It's a 1791. They call them Denton Tokens, and they were private mints. And then these are all 1896 pennies. And show you this one. What year do you think that is? It's a 1964. Yeah, I just happened across that by accident, and I thought it was a new penny, and I got to looking at the date with a magnifying glass, and it's a 1964. This one is a 2017. Check that out. I got lucky to have a 64 as change at a gas station. Okay, so once again, the links will be down below. Go check him out. Check out his videos. Give him a like, give him a sub, leave him a nice comment. And DOC Silver Stacker, thank you so much for letting me enter your GAW. I'm a brand new sub, and hey, I love it.